Just a quick disclaimer, if you don't already know how to solve a 4x4, you should definitely know how to do that, and a very basic way to pair edges before you learn the 3-2-3 edge pairing method, as it is a lot more advanced, and you definitely need to know a basic way to pair edges. So to start, obviously you should have your cross solved if you're using the Yao method, and this will only work with the Yao method. So do a slice move, check what's over here. This is green and yellow, so then find the other edge for it and put it in the bottom over here. So if we slice back, that'll pair, but don't slice back yet because we can do 2 more. So check what's on top of here, which is green and orange, and then put green and orange there, so it's in the back here. I'll have to take it out and then insert it again. And then this is blue and red over here, and then you want to put blue and red over here. So right here, it's over here. So what we can do is just slice, take it out, slice back, and then just move it in and slice back, and then 3 edges have been paired. Now instead of taking these out and putting them to the top layer, we can just do no flipping algorithms, because that's a lot slower than doing the 3-2-3. So the way that you would keep going with 3-2-3 edge pairing is you need to check what's in the unsolved edge at the top. So this is blue and yellow, and then at the bottom next to it, put blue and yellow, and then slice. And then at the bottom, you need to check what's on top of that, and then slice, and then put the corresponding edge at the bottom. So like that, and then slice back, and then that one gets paired. And then you basically would just want to repeat that concept. So whatever's over here at the top, you want to put the corresponding edge at the bottom over here, check what's here, and then move the other edge in the bottom and slice back, and that will pair all the edges. But don't click off the video yet, because there are some exception cases where some edges just solve themselves, and then you won't be really doing 3-2-3, and I'll show you some exception cases. When you're doing the last 2, you could get a case that looks like this. So you need to check what's over here, and then you move it in. But then you realize that these are the only 2 edges, because what's supposed to be on the top is over here, so we can't really move it anywhere. So instead of inserting it like this, we can just insert it where these 2 match, and then we do have to do slice, flip, slice to solve this. Alright, so now you just solve it like a 3x3. You should already know how to do that. So I'm very slow at 3x3 stage because I'm bad at 3x3 right now. And J-perm, that's it. I was gonna show more exception cases, but I think I'll leave those for other videos, as I'm also not that advanced at 3-2-3. So when I get better at 4x4, I'll give some more tips. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, leave a like, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.